Hey guys, welcome to the 7th post in the jQuery Learn jQuery video series. In this post, we will be creating some of the cool jQuery live examples of whatever we have learned till now. First up, will be a tutor-like word limiting system. For this, I will clear my all the markup and all the main.js file. Okay, I will create a text area with calls of 40 text area calls of 40 and rows 30. Okay, I will open that up in a browser. Oh, that's so big. I think calls should be 10 rows 10 calls 40. That will be right. No, rows 10 calls for rows 10 calls 20 rows 40 will be also nice. 10 15 10 15 will be right. 10 10 and 20 10 20. Okay, that's good. And I will create a div inside div with the id of feedback div with the id of feedback, and I will give another attribute of max length will be 120 words. It will be, for example, I will give 50 words. Okay, not allow me to type more than 50 words. Okay, that's, and now I will be writing the JavaScript, oh sorry, jQuery, for giving me a feedback that my how much words are remaining and how much I can type. Okay, first of all I will create a document.ready function. Second up, I will be giving it id to the text area. I will give it a text id of text. I will select that out by jQuery by giving dollar dot text text dollar dot text dot text dot, and I will be test dot key up function. Whenever a key is pressed, I've talked about the key up function in the fifth I think in the fifth video tutorial. And I will create a variable name text with dollar this dot well, and dollar well is a JavaScript function, a jQuery function to get the value of the text. And I will for testing I will console dot log the text. It's better to every time to text a JavaScript file, because JavaScript does not give so much good error reporting. I will write HELL. You can see that it's putting in the area hunk lessons. Okay, you can see that it's getting it, but I want no, I don't want the text, I want its length. For this I will do like that. I will go and put a length. oh, uh, I'll put a length word. This means it will give me the length of character, how much character I pressed, and 2 3 4 5 6, it will give me the length. Okay, now I will create another variable max is equal to 50. Max is equal to 50. The max word limit of the characters is 50. Now I will do some of the simple mathematics. I will create a variable remain and do max minus text. Okay, and put that max minus text. Okay, sorry, I will do max minus text, and I will put I will put that in a div. Put that in a div, and the ID of the div is feedback hash feed feedback. Okay, dot text is equal to remaining. Now I will refresh my page, type something out. San is a great sorry lessons blah 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 blah. That's all. I can do something more like that. I will append some of the characters like characters remaining, words remaining, words REM remaining. Okay, I spelled it out, but it's fine. Sensafish. You can see that it's when I close it out, that's working. That show you the exact feedback which the single which a single max length attribute is not showing you. Okay, I got some of the time remaining. I will talk something about text, different between text and different between .html attribute. Okay, for this I will create a text area, sorry, okay, the text area which was created, and feedback div. That's good. Okay, now I will remove that stuff out, and I will do okay. First up I will select the text. Okay, text dot key up. No, key up not. I will create a button. It's underneath button with the ID of sub. What I'm doing here? Submit. Okay. Click. I want to do that whenever someone write, for example, someone writes something here in the text area like p hunk or something in Java's HTML tag, and it will, when he will click the click button, it should display the HTML tag underneath. That's what I'm thinking example of. Submit dot click, and he will perform a anonymous function and get the text. We will create a var text is equal to dollar hash dot text dot val, and put that text in the div, and I will create hash feedback dot text is equal to the text. Okay, one thing to see is that we have used this text method for putting the things which user type into the div. See what happens. Okay, if I write a bold HTML tag bold, and I will write hunk. Okay, and I click that button, it should take the text of the value. Submit feedback text area, click me the feedback. Oh, I spelled the feedback wrong. Delete the feedback. Okay, now it will work. I will create a b tag hunk lessons, and I will close the b tag out, and and I click that out, it will simply, it not recognize that it's a HTML or anything else. It will simply put as it as a text, it in a text format. If I want that it should be interpreted to a HTML, for this I will use another jQuery thing. It's called the .html. And now what we will see, if I put a bold tag, then a italic tag, then a light hunk lessons, then a closing bold tag, then a closing bold tag, then a closing italic tag, and I put click me. You can see that hunk lessons is bold and italic written. That's not possible with .text, but it's possible with the HTML. .html you can put interpret raw HTML file to a div. That's the basic difference between text and HTML. Thanks guys for this. That's it for this video tutorial. Next we will meeting soon. Bye. Click like and subscribe.